calling this the Great Tomato Rescue. So I kind of weeded this box. I'm gonna finish weeding this one. There is a volunteer tomato in here that's gonna stay. And then there's some tomatoes tucked back in there that I'm gonna pull out and move into these boxes. They're not doing well in the ground. As you can see, this was one that was planted in the ground and it's just looking really gnarly. So I just pulled it up and put it in here. I'm gonna add some topsoil. This is a little cherry tomato. You can see I just plucked the fruits off because I want this to focus on getting established. And then I believe this one might be a beefsteak, but I'm saving the rest of the room for some Roma tomatoes. And then these onions are just gonna stay here. I went to 3 different places and nobody had perlite. So I have some sand and gravel for drainage. And there, we're gonna add a scoop of this. This is earthworm casting. That's it. I know it doesn't look like much, but they're cleaned up, they're fertilized, and they're happy. And I'll add some Roma tomatoes in here.